Bank of England opens applications for proof of concept CBDC wallet. The Bank of England, BOE, is seeking a proof of concept for a wallet that will be able to hold a central bank digital currency, CBDC. On December 9th, the BOE posted a request for applications on the United Kingdom government's digital marketplace, a service where government organizations can solicit work for digital projects. Simple guidelines for what the proof of concept wallet would have to achieve were outlined, with the wallet seemingly only needing to offer basic functionality such as a sign-up process, a way to update details, and show balances and transactions amongst other requirements such as displaying notifications. Of course, the wallet also has to demonstrate it can be loaded and unloaded with a CBDC along with being able to request peer-to-peer payments through an account ID or QR code and can be used to pay online with businesses. Key deliverables for the project are to create a mobile app for iOS and Android, a website for the wallet, an example merchant website and the back-end infrastructure to serve the wallet website and apps while also storing user data and transaction history. No work has been done on a CBDC sample wallet, the bank said, and it will not develop a user wallet itself. The stated aims of the project are to explore the end-to-end user journey as the BOE seeks to sharpen functional requirements for both the bank and private sector along with making the CBDC product more tangible for internal and external stakeholders. A budget of $244,500, or 200,000 British pounds, for an expected 5-month project was set for the proof of concept with the BOE slated to evaluate 5 suppliers. There were no applications at the time of writing. Related, Spain's central bank to experiment with wholesale CBDCs. The BOE has previously stated it is seeking to launch a CBDC by at least 2030. The sample wallet is supportive of the BOE's work as part of Project Rosalind, a joint experiment it's carrying out with the Bank of International Settlements, BIS, innovation hub aimed at creating prototypes of an application programming interface, API, for a CBDC. The proof of concept wallet will also be test implemented with the Rosalind API. On December 9th, the Chancellor of the Exchequer, Jeremy Hunt, shared a number of reforms to Britain's financial services sector which included consulting on proposals for the establishment of a CBDC. Central bank plans to make CBDC only legal digital tender in Indonesia, says Gov. Bank of Indonesia Governor Perry Warjio has announced developments in its plans to launch a central bank digital currency, or CBDC, for various digital economic and financial transactions. In a December 5th speech at the central bank's annual meeting, Warjio said the bank planned to release details on the conceptual design of a digital rupiah, a currency the equivalent of the country's fiat, and open the matter to public comment. According to the governor, the Bank of Indonesia intended for the digital rupiah to be integrated, interconnected, and interoperable with other countries' CBDCs following discussions with central bank officials. The CBDC initiative, called Project Garuda, will start with the launch of a wholesale digital rupiah for use cases of issuance, redemption, and interbank fund transfer followed by monetary operations and financial market development. The project's white paper stated the third phase will deal with end-to-end transactions between wholesale and retail digital rupiah users. Collaboration and synergy on national and international level is critical to the development of digital rupiah, said Warjio. Digital rupiah roadmap. Source, Bank of Indonesia. Related, Indonesia's cryptocurrency community in 2022, an overview. Indonesia imposed a blanket ban on crypto payments starting in 2017, while trading in digital assets largely remained legal in the country as regulated under the Commodity Futures Trading Regulatory Agency. Warjio first announced plans for Indonesia to introduce a CBDC in May 2021 but did not provide a specific timeline on the digital currency's release. Pakistan launches new laws to expedite CBDC launch by 2025. Regulators worldwide see central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, as a way to enhance fiat capabilities by inheriting the financial prowess of technologies that power cryptocurrencies. Pakistan joined this list by announcing new regulations to ensure the launch of an in-house CBDC by 2025. The State Bank of Pakistan, SBP, signed in new laws for electronic money institutions, AMIs, non-bank entities offering digital payment instruments, to ensure the timely issuance of a CBDC in the next 3 years. The World Bank helped Pakistan design the new regulations, according to local media Arab News. In addition to timeline adherence for the CBDC launch, The regulations warrant preventive measures against money laundering and terror financing while considering consumer protection and reporting requirements. Global CBDC Initiatives Overview. Source: Atlantic Council. The State Bank, SBP, will issue licenses to AMIs for CBDC issuance. During the announcement, Finance Minister Azad Umar stated that using AMIs in promoting the digital economy will safeguard financial institutions from cybersecurity threats. Deputy Governor of SBP Jamil Ahmad envisions curbing fiat-induced corruption and inefficiency through CBDCs. He said, "These landmark regulations are a testament of the SBP's commitment toward openness, adoption of technology and digitization of our financial system." The commencement of a speedy regulatory environment places Pakistan among the nearly 100 countries that are actively involved in researching and launching CBDC initiatives. Related, India's central bank outlines digital rupee CBDC plans. Neighboring country India also recently joined the race to launch a homegrown CBDC. On November 22, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, announced an ambitious plan to launch a retail CBDC pilot by the end of 2022. Indian Central Bank, RBI, is reportedly in the final stage of preparing the retail digital rupee pilot rollout, which will be initially tested among 10,000 to 50,000 users of participating banks.
Hi guys, my XRP tribe, Kabayan, CryptoFam, likers, viewers and those that are new to this channel, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly please help me make this channel grow. It would mean so much to me. I love you all and God bless.